YouTube, what's good? A little excited. My parts came in. Having some vehicle issues. But it is what it is. So my parts finally came in. Let's make sure they look right. So what I did was order 2 wheel hubs. I needed wheel hub. I don't know which one is bad. They say what you could do to find out which one is the bad one. And I've done that, and you still can't tell, but you can still hear them humming. And my lights is on in the ride. So, whoop, they got some weight to them. Here they go. 1 wheel hub here. Hub assembly. And the other one, hub assembly. All right, let's see what's up. So the numbers are different. Of course, they have 2 different part numbers. I don't know which one is the right and which one is the left. Does it matter? Absolutely. As far as I know, it matters, but it might not. So let's just dive into it. Why am I sitting down? Woo! Yes. Here we go, y'all. So I'll put this down. Here's my new wheel hub. These are where your lug nuts lock on. And this is a brand new hub. Straight out of the bag. Yeah, we'll take her out of the bag. Put her back in there. Look at that. That is beautiful. Brand new wheel hub. And when wheel hubs go bad, real bad, the bearings come out and then you got a problem. So here's the plugs. So this better line up with my ride. Oh, please let it line up. But this is the new wheel hub. I don't know which side it is, but there go your 5 lug nuts. And your CV joint goes in here, your axle. So a little excited to do this. Y'all will see me do this weekend. Yep, your boy Trey 57 will attempt to do this job. Rain or snow, I will be working on my ride. Let's look at the other one. See if everything is good. I'll be able to tell which one is which anyway whenever I take it off. All right, so they both have wires. I don't think it matters. The plugs will line up with each side. Okay, this one's a little different. No, it's not. Okay, don't want to break none of these hoses. But here it is. It's the new wheel hub. And this will send your, sorry. This will let your lights cut on, like your ABS and all of that if your hub is bad. ABS and your traction control. But this is the brand new hub, y'all. I love it already. This looks good. Got the 5 bolts. And we ready to rock on Danny. All right. Now all I gotta do is get the torque tool gauge, the torque gauge, so they're torqued to the right number. So those are the 2 wheel hubs, and they will be going on. I just thought I'd show you all the wheel hubs. I'm actually excited that these came in, and I got to do this or I won't be driving. Y'all will see the job.